Shut up and sit down.
Parking sensors, radar cruise control. This is all you get on narrow country lanes. It sends the car absolutely bonkers. This one's also got sonar on it, so I'm amazed it hasn't auto braked yet. Think it's going to have an accident, but you never got this years ago with cars with none of this technology on. It can be an absolute nightmare, it can, when it does things like that. I thought I'd just let you see how sensitive the system is when you've got it fitted to your Yaris Hybrid. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up if you enjoyed that. Please consider subscribing to the channel.